Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys my summer room tour. It's more along the lines of like a 4th of July themed. So yeah, let's just get started. So first we have my door sign that says welcome over here. And then on this side, I hung up two little like flag bows with some stars on the mirror. And then I also have this little firecracker pillow on my bed here. And then over here on my vanity, we have this little balloon holder with stars, super cute. I have a firecracker pop pocket back, some little sparkler things, this bucket with gnomes on it. Super cute. I have my favorite candles on here. We have Gingham Gorgeous and then Wild Berry Rose. This one's from Target. And then more little fun sparkler things, fireworks. Right here we have a red, white, and bloom little gnome. Love that. Up there we have a heart with all the 4th of July colors on it. I have a sweet summer cup. We have more gnomes. I just realized I have a lot of gnomes. But yeah. The red one and the blue one. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. Oh, and I have this little, what's this called? Like a lei thing? I don't know. With all the same colors as well. So yeah, guys, that's my room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.